Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. Today we are going to make the first card in the Kisses and Hugs January 2022 paper pumpkin kit. So I will open up the instructions. I've already made the card and there's 3 pieces to it. So you can just fold it up like that. Just do the accordion fold. So for this, I need a card base like this, and then I need the pieces that go with it. So the instructions tell me that I need a gold bordered heart, and I need to stamp the word friend on that one, which is this stamp here. And then I need the little, I call it the postage stamp, little heart with the gold border. And on there, I'm going to stamp for you. I need the gray granite arrow, and I need another one of the gold bordered hearts. So let's get started putting this together. I've got my sequins, my dimensionals, and my adhesive dots. So I'm going to open up my gray granite Stampin' Spot. This is the one that says friend. So I'm just going to pull my heart that I need to stamp on into the middle. And I'm going to ink up my word friend. I'm just going to stamp it away and make sure I've got good coverage. And I do. And this just goes right in the middle of that heart. Just like that. So quite often with the photopolymer stamps, you can see whether it's inked up or not, and you don't have to worry about it. I find with the gray colors, I struggle to see whether I've got enough ink on or not. So I usually do the stamp away just to make sure. So this is the postage stamp, and I need to stamp for you on it, just at the bottom here. And the nice thing about the photopolymer stamps is you can see where you're stamping, so that is perfect. All right. Just put the ink or the lid back on my Stampin' Spot. Now we need to build this. We need to dimensionalize the one with friend on it, and I know that because it's got the outlined hexagons here. This heart, the blank one, I need to put adhesive dots on, and I can tell that because it's gray dots. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put my dimensionals on the one I stamped the word friend on. Okay, and then I'm going to put my adhesive dots on. Oh, that was just the back. My dots stayed on the paper or on the backing sheet. So we'll just put the adhesive dots on like that. And I know that this one goes on the XOXO heart, so the Kisses and Hugs. And I'm just going to pop this on, line it up, and there we go. This one I just need to peel the backing off, my adhesive dots, and there, that dot didn't come off either. So I'm just going to press it down. If you take the backing but don't take the dot, you can always just turn your adhesive dot page over and adhere it that way. And so this one goes on this one, again, not dimensionalized, just the dots, and that gives you an opportunity to write a message here. Now we need to build the arrow piece, and it tells me that I need to put an adhesive dot in the middle of the back of this piece. This is the back. If I do this, because what I need to do is I need to stick the arrow to it. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the adhesive dot in the middle of the arrow, like that. And then I can lay it down and line this up so that I know I'm centered, and then just pop it down. And that way I know it's a centered piece. This now says that I need to put dimensionals on 4 points here. So right up at the arrow tip, and then on the flights, and then one on either side of the arrow on the postage stamp. You may call it something else. I don't know what else to call it other than the postage stamp. That's what it looks like to me. So then we just need to adhere this down to the middle of the blank heart in the middle. And we've got our Blushing Bride and Calypso Coral and Gray Granite as our colors on this one. And now I need the sequins. I need to put sequins on this middle heart like this. And we've got sequins under the word friend. So I'm going to start with the one in the middle like that. If you have tweezers, you can absolutely use tweezers to put these down and help you line them up. But tweezers don't come in the kit. So we're just going to line it up like that. So there is our first project made to send off to a friend for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.